In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fortnite crashing on the Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna present multiple methods that you can follow to fix any issues related to Fortnite crashing on your Xbox One console. The first one to try, and by far the simplest, is to check for any possible updates inside of Fortnite. However, because you are already running the game and the problems that you are having are attributed to crashing, updating the game is most likely not going to be the solution. I simply bring it up because, like I said, it is a very simple troubleshooting step, so you are welcome to try even if you are already running the game. Maybe a certain file that wasn't critical for the game to run was not acquired properly, and then checking for updates manually could help you reacquire those files. Now, with this step out of the way, after you check for any possible updates, the next thing to do is to double check if your console is not overheating. This might seem minor, but if your console is not getting fresh air and it is quite old, it could be overheating. Overheating can lead to many issues, not only related to Fortnite, but any applications or games that you are running inside of the console. So, by making sure that it is on a well-ventilated area getting fresh air, you are going to be able to maintain lower temperatures, giving better performance overall. Now, another thing that I recommend that you do is to try to lower the graphical settings if they are available inside of Fortnite on your Xbox One, especially if you have the option to lower it from 120 FPS to 60. By lowering the graphic settings, you are going to put less strain on your console, and because of this, it is going to be able to perform better when trying to run Fortnite. It is a last resort sort of deal, but by following any of these methods that I presented here, you will be able to troubleshoot Fortnite and make it stop crashing on the Xbox One. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fortnite crashing on the Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.